Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very amazing PowerPoint templates using MORPH transition. So first of all, what you have to do is go to Insert tab, this Insert tab right here. Then you have to go to Pictures, this device, and then Downloads. Choose the image you want to use and cut it. Now go to design option, format background, picture or texture fill, and then clipboard. Yes, like this. Now what you have to do is go to home and new slide, blank. You have to duplicate it about 5 times. So this is what we wanted to do. Go to insert, pictures, this device, and insert the next image that you want to use. I'm gonna cut it. Then gonna go to design, front background, picture or texture fill, and then clipboard. What you have to do next is that you have to go to insert shapes and choose this rounded cornered triangle. Insert it like this. Decrease its radius from here. Go to shape format and then shape outline, no outline, like this. In the middle of this slide, you're gonna place this shape. Then you're gonna copy it, paste it. Copy it and again paste it. Again paste it. Now what you have to do is that you have to increase or decrease the size of these different rounded square. Rounded rectangles. And I'm gonna increase its size. And I'm gonna increase its size as well. Go to click on CTRL and then you have to select all of the four of these. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to shape format and then align. Align center, align middle. Now you have to move one of them like this, one of them like this, a little bit far away, one of them like this. Like this. I'm gonna move it towards the white a little bit. Now what you have to do is, well, let me paste one of them again because it doesn't look right. Yes, like this. Now increase its size, and uh, you have to select all of them, go to shape format, and then merge shapes, union. What you have to do now is that you have to go to shadow and then transparency. Uh, Move its transparency to 0 and blur to 16. What you have to do now is that you have to go to here and you have to click on slide background fill. Increase its size like this and copy it. Paste it on each of the slide like this. Yes, what you have to do is that you have to you have to go to shape format and then you have to ungroup them. Right click on it and you can't undo it. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll um go to shape format. I'm gonna decrease its size like this so that it becomes a little bit you know what? So that it becomes a little bit of different from the previous slide. Now I'm gonna increase its size, place it right here in the middle of the slide like this. Next, I'm gonna decrease its size like this. Now, now the next step that you have to do is that you have to insert a shape that is rectangle onto the entire slide. Now, what you have to do is that you have to go to gradient fill option. You have to remove both of these stops that are between. Move this color to black, change the both of their colors to black, and move them in the middle like this. Now what you have to do is increase the transparency of one of them. And right here, I'm gonna decrease its transparency. Increase it a little bit as well. Now what you're gonna do is that you have to rotate this shape like this. Rotate right 90-degree. I'm gonna increase its size. I'm gonna place it right here. And I'm gonna go to shape format and I'm gonna decrease its size like this. Go to shape outline and then no outline as well. Move it towards to like this. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna copy it. First of all, you have to move it towards the backward like this. Move it towards the back like this. Now copy it, paste it on each of the slide, move it towards the back, send to back, paste towards the back, paste, and towards the back. That's it. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna insert all of those images that you have used. Go to this device, 7.5 as well. Now what I'm gonna do is select every single picture, go to group, aspect ratio 3 by 4. Do this for the every image. Go to group, aspect ratio 3 by 4. Enter crop, aspect ratio 3 by 4. Enter. That's it. Crop, aspect ratio 3 by 4. Enter. Crop, aspect ratio 3 by 4. Enter. That's it. Now select each of the image and enter 7.5. I'll go to format picture and size. In size, you're gonna write 7.5. in the height and 7.5 as well in the I'm going to select each of the image, go to picture format, in crop, go to crop to shape and then oval. That's it. What you're gonna do is select each of the image and you have to decrease its width and height as well. Now you have to go to picture format and you have to write 7.5 in the yes, like this. What you're gonna do is put them side by side like this. 5, yes, that's it. If you want to decrease the size, then you can decrease the size because it won't look nice, really nice. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna place them really together. What you have to do is that you have to place the first image, select all of them, decrease their size. So what you have to do is place the picture that you are using in right here. To increase the size of the picture that you're using and place it on top. Be sure to use to put the images um, in correct order because that's very important step of this PowerPoint presentation. So this is the second and this is the first one. Now select all of them. Oh my gosh. So what you have to do is that you have to select all of them and you have to take them right here like this. Place it right here and increase its size. As compared to other circles, this have to be more bigger. Select all of these and move them right here like this. A little bit right here. Now what you have to do is copy this and paste it on each of the template, but be sure to increase the size of uh, that one circle, which is the picture that is being used in the template. So as you can see, I'm gonna decrease its size and I'm gonna put it this one right here and I'm gonna increase its size like this. Place it right here. Select all of these and place it here. Paste here, paste here, and paste here. That's it. Go to the first slide and move this slide like this. Next, you have to go to this slide, move all of these four. I'm sorry. So you have to select all of these, then place them a little bit lower. What you have to do is select this one and right here. Next, you have to move this one, these four. Oh my gosh. Select these four and paste them here. Select this one and place it here. You have to do this procedure for about in each of the template like this. Copy this and you have to increase its size. Move this upwards. This one upwards as well. This one right here. This one here. Next, what you have to do is select all of these. No. This, and this. And move them right here. Select this one. Decrease its size according to the other circles. Place it here. Move this one and increase its size like this. Now the next step that you have to do is that you have to move them a little bit towards the right. Right. And this one as well. Just a little bit. So you have to be sure that this isn't getting out of your slide. So I have added the text as well. Now what you're so the moving towards the next step, which is the last step of this video, we're gonna select these icons and these text and this rounded rectangles shape. What you're gonna do is go to animation and then morph animation right here, um, which is morph animation. I'm gonna check where morph animation is. So I'm gonna select these all, and then I'm gonna go to this transitions tab and then morph. I'm also gonna set the time to 4. What I'm gonna do next is maybe it's better to decrease it to 2 and colon. That's it. Now what I'm gonna do is that, wait a sec, like this, yes. Go to next tab and give animation, I mean the morph transition to all of this, give this animation to all of the slides. Oh my gosh. Like this. More. And now look next. This is the first slide. I'm gonna select this all. No. Wait. Morph. And so this is the last slide. I'm gonna give transition to this as well. Um, like this and more. This one. So let's move towards the slideshow. See. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel if you like the video. Also share this video with friends and family to promote my channel. Goodbye.